Hi y'all, long time no see. Been about 3 weeks. Although as of today, October 4th, I'm about 15 flights behind on videos, so you guys haven't seen squat for a while. But we're going up for harvest. Got a new camera, and we got a Black Hawk. Wow, okay, this will be fun. Clear prop!
Shelbyville Municipal Airport, Shelbyville, Indiana. Automated weather observation 2048 Zulu. Wind calm.
Shoulder traffic, our counter 20919, taking off runway 1, departure to the north shoulder.
And there they go. Bye-bye, guard copter. I have to wait about 5 minutes to let that rotor wash settle out. Man. We're going to go down here and do a north takeoff on our little grassy area. That diamond better wait a little bit too. Hopefully he doesn't go right away.
Eagle Creek traffic, 1327 Charlie Tango is about a 10-mile final for 03 Eagle Creek.
Be it and try to depart. Shelbyville traffic, experimental power parachute. 729 Mike Popeye departing to the north in the grass between taxiway Alpha and Bravo. Northeast departure after takeoff, Shelbyville. Oh, beyond. Left downwind. We're in the gnarly gates of hell right now. Open mellows. It's thermal city here, man.
Seymour traffic, Doc 172, Joe Mike, left base, runway 5, Seymour.
Putnam County Twin Star 882 Lima is 6 miles to the northwest and down for runway 36 from county traffic.
Look.
Eagle Creek, citation 1, Charlie, turning final, runway 2, Eagle Creek.
Oh, fuck me.
Shelbyville Diamond 225 Lima, 10 miles east for runway 1, Shelbyville. Shelbyville Diamond 225 Lima, actually entering a midfield cross for runway 1, Shelbyville. Shelbyville Diamond 225 Lima, left downwind for runway 1, Shelbyville.
Alright, let's get out of here. Just blasted this one.
Shelbyville traffic number 366 Lima is about 5 miles to the west, going to be holding above the Shelbyville VOR at 3,000 feet, Shelbyville. I want to say yes, but the fact that you're asking me.
Yeah, you see my shadow. decals out too bad. Get out, Dodge. New camera, baby, Canon R3. I'm loving it so far. We'll see what the pictures look like, boys. See a lot of dust down south, all right? We got a lot of good stuff to shoot here. We're going to hang out up here a little bit, then make our way west and then south. Yeah, electronic shutter, so you guys won't hear the machine gun anymore. The old 10 frame a second machine gun. Now we're at either 3, 15, or 30 frame a second electronic shutter, so you won't hear that. I see a little white outline in my display in the viewfinder when it's taking pictures, so got our target dead ahead up here. It's like maybe 2 of them, actually. So, first harvest 2022s. Yeah, babies. Loving it. And it's a bumpy one. I didn't think it'd be this bad. But it is. We just deal with it. You just fly. Just make sure your belts are tight. And you really do shake and bake.
Northeast, on the VOR Alpha with check 1 to land, runway 36, portrait, or Hudson County traffic.
Eagle picture.
These dudes have been over here watching me for a while. I don't know who it is. We'll get the picture.
County traffic down at 463 Tango Hotel, about a mile to the northeast, inbound for on the VOR Alpha, circle land, runway 36,
Shelby will down at 225 Lima, clear runway 1, taxiing back. Shelbyville.
Nice. So, got a chance to talk here while we're en route to this other active field up here. Today's October 4th. Just got back from a 9-day vacation down in Panama City Beach, Florida, and Talladega, Alabama, where we took in the races. Took my oldest son, Alex. You've seen him fly here before. He's a ultimate race fan, and he's never been to Talladega except for we drove by there and took like a tour and stuff, but there weren't any races, so we surprised him. I bought tickets and he didn't know it until we pulled up to the track on the way home from Panama City Beach. So we saw the last 40 laps or so of the truck race and then the Xfinity race on Saturday, then stayed the night in Birmingham and then came back for the Cup race on Sunday, and he just loved it. Glad we were able to surprise him. That was cool. So as I said earlier, I got this new camera. My old one was dying. It's been dying for the last 2 years, and it's gotten really bad and unreliable, so I finally splurged. I went mirrorless, so I had that old 1D Mark IV body for 11.5 years, and it served me well. So I went mirrorless. I went the Canon's top of the line, as of today anyway, the R3, mirrorless, 24 megapixel, and just freaking loaded with everything. It should not for sure shot some video, damn it. shooting stills, but I can shoot video through this too. So I need to do that in this next one. I need to do a couple of tests. I'm so used to shooting just stills, but I can shoot video when I'm looking through the viewfinder too. And I got to do that. I got to do it. Dad, nabbit, we'll do it up here. I've got a good long east-west field, looks like, and we got some activity, so that'll give me a chance to do it. We got problems or what? See some couple people down there. Yeah, they're just down there yakking. Find some video here. And we're shooting a video. We'll see how it comes out. Yeah, I know, either I'm getting rocked here pretty good. .205, that's not right. I got a bad sensor. That's what it is. Bad connection. Oh, got these dudes going again. All right. That's cool. That's pretty cool.
try a video pass this next time. See how that looks. Pretty fucking cool. Right there, babies. Yep. He acts like he's going to do it on the run. Alright. We'll do a flop here. As he's turning, we'll turn and come back at him. Get out of Dodge. Do a sweeping pass. to talk a little bit here. I've been busy. Concentrate. And when I'm shooting, I'm not talking. Especially the first flight of the season. Oh, we got one over here. Probably catch him on the way in. He's full. We're trying our low light capabilities for sure here. ISO 8000, which is nothing for this camera. That's one reason why I bought it. The low light capability is just incredible. Let's go here and get these guys. Nice. Alright, let's get the fuck up. Let's get out of here. Get over town. Nice.
Good shot, Diamond 943 Lima. We are currently left downwind for runway 4. Council.
Shelbyville traffic. 0849er, 09er Shelbyville.
Alright, we're gonna
Shelbyville traffic, Diamond 978 Lima on left base for runway 1, Shelbyville.
go through edge of town here and get some pictures and then head back up to the airport.
Shelbyville traffic, Diamond 978 Lima, touch and go for runway 1, Shelbyville.
Eagle Creek traffic, Cessna 624 is turning left and downwind for runway 3, Eagle Creek.
Young, turn through very calm. Line.
Crossing shot Diamond 943 Lima, left crosswind for runway 4. Council.
And Shelbyville, Yellow Cub departure to the west, off the grass, Shelbyville.
Shelbyville traffic, Diamond 849 Lima, overflying the field, 2100. Doing a teardrop and left downwind, runway 1, Shelbyville.
Crossing shot Diamond 943 Lima.
Shelbyville traffic, 849 Lima, left downwind, runway 1, Shelbyville.
Chevrolet traffic, parachute 9, Mike Papa, quarter mile final, landing on the grass at the north end of taxiway Bravo, Shelby County.
Shelbyville traffic down at 671 Lima, 10 miles to the north, going to be straight in runway 1, straight in runway 19er, circle to land runway 1, Shelbyville.
Shelbyville traffic, Diamond 849 Lima on the go, runway 1, Shelbyville.
Cool, oh, we made it. That's a long flight, 2.5 hours. I may have pushed it on fuel, we'll see. Got a couple of diamonds in the pattern here, as you can hear on the radio.
Dude. Yeah, what 5-4? We got our scorecards out down here. Make it a good one.
Roger, we'll do our best. What 5-4?
Clear prop.
Please make sure you be harsh judges.
We're pretty hard to impress.
Love to hear it. Level Diamond 854 Lima, turning left base for runway 10, Shelbyville.
Oh my. Hell yeah. Whoa.
Level Diamond 854 Lima, turning final for runway 1, Shelbyville.
Put
It
some.
sounds like he's on the phone with his mom when he's on the radio.
Somebody's getting hazed. Alright, bye radio. Bye intercom.
Hey, I did it. Got back in the air. Cool. I remember how to fly. A lot of muscle memory gone from shooting pictures and flying, but 2.5 hours, and we'll see what kind of pictures we got with this new camera. Should be pretty cool. Harvest time. All right, and get some more gas. So that'll work. Over here in the morning. Sure up. Oh. Well, great flight for the first flight in 3 weeks. Breaking in the new camera and trying to get the muscle memory back how to fly this damn thing. So yeah, long flights. Took off at 5 o'clock and landed about 7:40. So that's 2 hours and 10 minutes. We'll go back and look at the video, and more important, we'll see how this new camera did. So stay tuned for pictures. See you.